Welcome to Sparkwork. In today's video we will learn about how to create a pulse. Firstly, click on the Content Center icon in the top right corner. From here select Create Pulse option. Here on the top this is the title of your pulse. You can edit it by clicking here. Here you can choose the language as per your preference. Here you can add a question to your pulse. You can choose the response type you want from your user, either reactions, star ratings, or like or dislike. You can customize response text as per your preference. Here in the frequency section you can edit the frequency of this pulse, like how many times in a month, week or year you want to show this pulse to your users. You can also choose when you want to stop this pulse by entering a specific date, or you can select never. Here you can customize privacy settings for users, as if someone wants to vote anonymously, then you can select it here. Now that you have created your pulse, up next you will select who can access the pulse you just created above. These are the organizational units created by you, and you can select multiple units. I am selecting Area A. On the right side, you can choose channels also if you want to show the pulse to a particular channel. Now, here you can pick any category related to your pulse, or you can type tags by yourself related to your pulse. Now, everything is done. You can watch a preview of your pulse by clicking the preview button here. Looks great. Let's go back and publish it. That's it. Your pulse is successfully published. It will be visible on the units and channels you have chosen. Training for creating a pulse is completed now. We hope this video has been helpful to you.